Alright, so directly behind me is the vast Pacific Ocean. I'm gonna set up the drone to see what it look like from up above.